types of slime. This one's like a buttery type slime, but it's super duper thick. And then I have this non-buttery slime. It feels like a buttery slime, but a little bit thick. And then here's the butteriest slime ever. It feels so good. I can poke it for days. When your fingers start to cramp, all you have to do is find your buttery slime and it feels so good. So, there's the buttery slime. Here's its container. There we go. Here's this slime. This is the big one that's been sitting over here. Here's the non-buttery slime. Here's the chunky one that's not even that buttery. It's supposed to be buttery like this one, but it isn't. So, there we have it. Buttery slime, non-buttery slime, and a butterish type slime. Ah, yeah. So massage. So thick. We're doing a giveaway. I'm probably gonna give away some kittens. You might have to come and pick them up.
Because actually she has tons of kittens.
Yeah, I love them so much. But my cat had babies and has a whole bunch.
And they're so cute. They're just running around in their lawn. It's so cute.
And it is so nice of you. I will be choosing you for a giveaway. One of you guys.
Please comment down below and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. But